Hey everyone, in today's super quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an awesome about section on your LinkedIn profile in just 1 minute. You'll learn how to highlight your skills and stand out. Let's get started. First, go over to your profile picture and click on View Profile. Then click on Add Profile section. Go over to Core and then Add About. Here you can write about your years of experience, industry or skills. People also talk about their achievements or previous job experiences. So make sure this all is covered. You can even get an AI suggestion with Premium LinkedIn. Add your skills right here and then suggest it based on your profile. So here LinkedIn will suggest some of your skills based on your profile. Once all of this is added and generated through AI, just press save. It's really simple, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.